Damage control. Tourism Ministry rushes to hire consultant to help improve the country's image as more cases of sexual assault at local hotels emerge. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, stolen meters. Thieves target NWC devices. We'll tell you what the victims believe they're being used for.
Stay for now. Appeals court halls carousel shut down.
And in business news, options. More restaurants to be opened in the new year.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the Primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, do you believe there is a serious problem of sexual assault in Jamaican hotels?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.